Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. The RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader is an experimental tool to help identify trade entry and exits for various types of trades: trend, momentum, breakout, and swing trades. To apply this indicator on the trading chart, search the keyword RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader on the TradingView indicator folder here. As we can see, here's the trading indicator. Select the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader EP indicator. Here's the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader indicator on our trading chart. Visually, as we can see on the trading chart, this trading indicator looks like a ladder on the trading chart. The RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader indicator that tends to simplify price action, thereby showing a clear direction of price trend, and then use the lower time frame to find the best entry level in the market. Here are the parameter settings of the indicator. It's advisable to leave the default settings. For easy recognition of buy and sell trade opportunities, we can modify the color of the indicator under the Style folder here. We can modify the ladder line color here. Let's modify the color 0, that's purple color, to be blue, and the color 1, that's orange color, to be yellow. We can ignore the ATR and PCT envelope colors options here. That's all. How can we use the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader to detect trade setups in the market? There are two main ways to implement this indicator for trade opportunities in the market. The first option is through the trend entry strategy. The second option is through the swing entry strategy. Take note, in order to have a high winning trading records with the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader, make sure you only apply it for trade entry in a trending market. Avoid using it to trade in a choppy or ranging market. Let me show you how to apply the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader trend entry trading strategy. To implement the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader for a buy trend entry trading strategy, Step 1. We need to watch out for a bullish market swings that made a bearish pullback or that rally with strong bullish momentum to the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader blue color structure. Step 2. Make an entry buy position once the bullish candlestick closed above the ladder line and hold on to the buy entry until the blue color changes to yellow color. Alternatively, you can close your buy position whenever price hits the upper PCT envelope channel, as we can see here. To implement the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader for a sell trend entry trading strategy, Step 1. We need to watch out for a bearish market swings that made a bullish pullback or that rally with strong bearish momentum to the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader yellow color structure. Step 2. Make an entry sell position once the bearish candlestick closed below the ladder line and hold on to the sell entry until the yellow color changes to blue color. Alternatively, you can close your sell position whenever price hits the lower PCT envelope channel, as we can see here. It's time I show you how to apply the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader swing entry trading strategy. To apply the swing entry trading strategy, take and hold trades in the direction of the ladder. For a bullish swing entry, combine bullish price action candlestick to buy when the lower PCT envelope carves a higher low swing. Hold on to the bullish position until the upper PCT envelope carves a lower high swing, as we can see on this price chart here. For a bearish swing entry, combine bearish price action candlestick to sell when the upper PCT envelope carves a lower high swing. Hold on to the bearish position until the lower PCT envelope carves a higher low swing, as we can see on this price chart here. Remember, in order to have a good trading result with the RedK Auto Stepping Ladder Trader, make sure you apply it to trade a trending market and combine the entry signals with powerful price action candlesticks on the trading chart.